Happy Monday! I wanted to tell you really quickly some places that you can get information just besides pushing Google. You have Discovery Education to the left somewhere in Schoology on your course page. If you go inside, well, this is mine, but if you go inside, you should see something called World Geography Europe. I've already assigned it to you. It's an hour and 9-minute long video. This is kind of how it's segmented out by the minutes. You can kind of do the math. It's broken down between Western and Eastern Europe so that you can choose the country that you want to focus on. Anyway, you can watch this movie or watch this video. Sorry, it's not a movie. And then the other thing is always clever. Don't know why that's there. You can always go to McGraw-Hill. Once again, that's Unit 5 in your textbook, and that will be a good place for you to also read about the different countries in Europe. Exploring the region is probably a good place to start. And I think that is it. Have a good day. If you have any questions, just email me or let me know. Thanks.